everybody, welcome back. Today is day 3 of our van renovation. I am just going to grind down the rust in our van, and I'm going to show you what I'm going to use. So we just got a new drill. We got a Dewalt drill because our old drill was not powerful enough for really what we needed it to do. So we got this one that like tightens around your part that you're using. We also have another one that just kind of, you like lift it up like here, and then it fits the piece in there. So I have that, and then I borrowed this little stainless steel brush thing that I will put in the drill to grind down any loose parts of the rust. Let's get to grinding. The grinding does take quite a bit of time, but these are just a few short clips to show you how the process works. And also for anyone that's not sure, you don't have to get all the rust off, you just have to knock off the loose pieces. Basically ground down all the areas and got off the loose stuff. So I'm going to grab that bottle of rust protectant and show you what that is and do some spraying. After grinding off all the loose pieces of rust, you'll have quite a bit of particles on your floor that you'll need to sweep up before you can do any mopping or any spraying to reform the rust. So the directions on the bottle say you need to wash the area with soap and water before you can use the product. So let me show you the bottle. This is what I got to cover the rust. It's called Rust Reform. It was like $6 at Home Depot. I will link that below along with our drill. And then I just have a bucket with some soap and water. So here we go. I just took a popsicle break, and I'm waiting for the back of the van to dry, so while I'm waiting for that, we are taking a trip to AutoZone to pick up some brakes and rotors for our van, and we are going to hopefully drop the van off tonight to get those installed. After going to 2 different stores to pick up brakes and rotors, the van was finally dry enough to start spraying. It took quite a bit of time because I had used the hose to spray out the back so it would be nice and clean, but it also made it very, very wet.
You would never.
Never!
Not on my Beavis and Butthead shirt. Source, so we can recycle our shelves from our Sprinter van and hopefully get some money.
What the van specific? Oh, he's gonna get your box. Okay.
Shelves aren't gonna fit in the box. So our big shelves don't fit in this bucket that they wanted to weigh in. Ah! I'm riding on the floor in the van because we have no seat. But we got $17 for 2 small pieces, so now we have to go somewhere else and weigh these big shelves and see what we get for them. 64, right? $64. What?
Plus 17.
Yeah, plus 17. I did the 17. So we got $64 for our 3 shelves, which were a pain to lift out and a pain, well, they weren't that bad to take. Disassemble, just getting them out of the van was kind of hard. So, but they're
400 pounds. 400 pounds of pure aluminum.
Looks weird with you talking, but I can't see your mouth. It wasn't pure aluminum.
That's why we didn't get a good price.
You got the crappy price. 16 cents? Yeah?
16 cents, 400 pounds, 80 bucks.
$87? No. 80
But
some dollars.
we got it out of our hair.
Yep, and we got some money.
We got an empty bin.
Oh, same thing then. We have tables I gotta take back to the in-laws.